has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Pecos County in southwestern Texas, east central Reeves County in southwestern Texas, southeastern Ward County in western Texas, northern Crane County in western Texas, until 7:15 p.m. Central Time. At 6:33 p.m. Central Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles southwest of Grand Falls, or 24 miles south of Monahans, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and $half size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Grand Falls, Royalty, Imperial, Quinosa, Imperial Reservoir, and Kodna Lake. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Time for western and southwestern Texas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Time for western and southwestern Texas.